Welcome back to my studio, where I share with you how to easily make textured art and some unconventional art business tips. I'm starting a new series where I take you behind the scenes to show you parts of the creative process that aren't often shared by artists. So if this sounds interesting, let me know in the comments what parts of the process you'd like to see. I'll be posting these videos in between my textured art tutorials, so these won't go anywhere. Now let's dive into today's topic, which is the finishing touches that artists add after completing their artwork. So the first step is signing the piece. I sign the canvas from the back and one edge, add the date and my info. This is the pen that I usually use. I'll add its name on the screen. Next, I prepare it for hanging, which is needed whether you're making the piece for your own place or for a customer. For hanging, I use two types of hangers depending on the size of the canvas. For large artworks, I use D-rings with wire compatible with the weight of the artwork. This info is written on the package. And for smaller pieces, I use the sawtooth hangers. Let me show you how to use both. So let's first start with this large piece. First start by measuring 1/3 of the way down from the top of the canvas. So for example, if your canvas is 60 centimeters long, mark at 20 centimeters from the top on each side and screw the D-rings in place, angling them inwards at about 45 degrees, pointing towards the top of the canvas. Next, cut a piece of the wire that's roughly around double of the width of your canvas. So measure the width of your canvas times 2 and then cut a piece of the wire of this length. It can be a little bit shorter. Now insert around 10 centimeters of the wire through the left D-ring, wrap it around the ring and cross it under the wire and twist the remaining section around the knot to secure it. Pull the wire towards the center of the canvas, leaving about 3 centimeters below the top, and then secure the wire to the right D-ring in the same way as you did to the left. You can snip off any excess of the wire from the two sides, and your artwork is pretty much ready to hang. So here I'm just testing everything out before sending the artwork to the customer. I tried to hang it in my studio. So here it is. You see there's no gap between the wall and the artwork, and if you follow these tips, I guarantee for you that it will not tilt forward. Now for the small pieces, it's very straightforward. Simply mark the center of the canvas by dividing the width by 2. Do the sawtooth hanger around the center and it's ready to hang. If you found this video helpful or have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.